A friend does personal injury work. Do you think an in-car emergency kit would work? Um, yes, that actually. Well, I mean, yes, it probably would work, but it's not. It's probably not as good. Actually, you know what? That's actually not a bad idea. Now, I've never thought about that before. But if you get into a car accident, yeah, like something that would fit in the glove box, that's actually a really good idea. Now that I'm thinking about that, somebody gets into an accident, maybe they grab a first aid kit. The only issue is going to be if they get into an accident and the first aid kit is in their glove box and it's like a soft tissue thing where they're not bleeding or anything, but they hurt their back. Are they going to reach for a personal? Or are they going to reach for a? Are they going to reach for the emergency kit? You know what I mean? The thing I like about the vent holder is that when they get into an accident, they're grabbing their phone. As soon as they grab their phone, the phone number is right there. That's what I really like about it. But I mean, honestly, it would work. You could do both. I mean, so much marketing is about like the reality is that marketing is really just about like throwing as much stuff against the wall as you can and seeing what sticks. So I mean, it's worth a shot. You have to figure out the economics of it. Also, you have to figure out how much it costs to ship, how much the emergency kits cost, how much does it cost to screen print, or are you going to put business cards in there? Or, how's it actually going to work? So you got to make sure it's actually going to work.